Yes. Hare Krishna to all of you. And today is the 13th day. 13th day, please. 13th day, and we are learning today what the Krishna has conveyed the message through Bhagavad Gita in 13th chapter. Okay, you all are welcome to the Bhagavad Gita 18 days online class, which is conducted by our Mangaluru, ISKCON Mangaluru. Okay, Hare Krishna. And as usual, what we will do, we will start our class with the prayer. And all are already unmuted. I will read one line. Immediately you have to start.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Immediately you have to start the line. Okay. All should be synchronized with each other. No one should be in hurry. No one should go to the second line. Okay.
Okay,
Hare
Prabhuji.
Okay,
Hare Krishna.
Om Ajnanatimirandasya
Om Ajnanatimirandasya
Jnananjanashalakaya
Jnananjanasalakaya
Chakshur Unmilitam Yena
Chakshurunmilitam yena
Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha
Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha
Nama Om Vishnu Padaya
Namo Vishnupadaya
Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale
Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale
Srimate Bhakti Vedanta
Srimate Bhakti Vedanta
Swamin Nitinamine Namaste Saraswati Deve
Namaste Saraswati Deve
Gauravani Pracharine
Gauravani Pracharane
Vishesha Shunyavadi
Vishesha Sunyavadi
Paschatya Deshatarine
Paschatya Deshatarine Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya
Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya
Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya
Prabhu Nityananda
Prabhu Nityananda
Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhatta Vrinda Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare
Rama Hare Hare Rama
Hare
Hare
Krishna Hare Krishna
Krishna
Krishna Krishna Hare Hare
Krishna Krishna
Hare Rama Hare Rama
Hare Rama Hare
Rama Rama Hare Hare
Rama Rama Hare Rama Hare
Okay, now we will start our class. And to whom I will call, just unmute themselves, and I will also call who has to unmute. Okay. Now today is the 13th chapter. What the Krishna is giving, conveying the message in the Bhagavad Gita. Now we will see. Okay, Hari Bol to all of you. Hare Krishna once again, and you all welcome to the Bhagavad Gita class. And we are starting the class. What our class with excellent shloka. I know some of them are very much perfect in shloka. Who raised the hand? Just wait. Okay. Okay. Yes, Atrika, unmute yourself and read the shloka.
ओके प्रभु जी। कार्य कारण कर्तृत्वे हेतु प्रकृति उच्यते पुरुषः सुख दुःखानां भोक्तृत्वे हेतुरुच्यते।
Excellent. Yes, Dhanya, not joined, and okay. Manasvi, then again, Manasvi, you can chant, read the shloka. Manasvi, Hare Krishna.
Yes, Prabhuji. कार्य कारण कर्तृत्वे हेतु प्राकृतिरुच्यते पुरुषः सुख दुःखानां भोक्तृत्वे हेतुरुच्यते.
Hari bol. Yes, Arya, unmute yourself and you can just read the shloka.
Okay, Prabhuji. कार्य करनान कर्तृते हेतु प्राकृतिर उच्यते पुरुष सुख दुःखानां भोक्तृते वे हेतुर उच्यते.
Hari bol. Excellent. Who is our Chanvi? Unmute yourself and read the shloka.
Okay, Prabhuji. कार्य कारेण कर्तृत्वे हेतुः प्राकृत उच्यते पुरुषाः सुख दुःखानां भोक्तृत्वे हेतुरुच्यते.
Hari bol. Excellent. All are perfectly reading. Now we are just moving to the what is the meaning of the sloka. Okay. Yes. Can someone unmute Shravani Mathad? Or yes, Shravani Mathad, unmute yourself.
Hare
Yes.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Just read the translation.
Nature is said be the cause of all material.
What happened?
Nature is said be the cause of all material activities and effects, whereas the living entity is the cause of the various sufferings and enjoyments in this world.
Yes. Actually, what we are learning from the day one, I will give one small example. See. Why you are muting? Okay. Please don't mute me. You are muting me. See, just unmute and unmute whomever I ask you, and please don't disturb. And everybody should participate. Now, one example I will take. Okay. Generally, I will take the example of our Raju. Now, there is one fish. There is one fish. My favorite name is Raju. The name of the fish is Raju. Suppose I took the fish from the ocean. Yes, I asked the fish. Okay, fish. Now I am sending you to whose house? Jaslin Chaudhary's house. There you can go. It is situated in Kurukshetra. It is having AC and it is a well furnished house. You can be happy. Yes, Jaslin. Whether the Raju, who is the fish, will be happy in your house. What happened? Yes, participate. Nay, what I am asking, I am just picking one fish from the ocean. I am asking that you have to go to the Justin house and you should be happy. Whether it will be happy on the earth, on the air, you are providing.
Prabhuji.
You are providing what? AC. You are providing good bed. You are providing. You are providing wonderful house. You are providing delicious food. Also, you are providing. Whether the Raju fish, whose name is Raju, fish, whether it will be happy.
No, Prabhuji, because the fish lives in water.
Okay, but you are providing all the what the perquisite means, all the whatever everybody will be happy. You are providing na.
But Prabhuji, the fish is happy only in the water.
Okay. I will. Okay, this is your answer. Yes, Akshara Prasad. What is your answer? Our Raju. Yes, unmute yourself, Akshara Prasad. Yes. Yes, you got unmuted. There is one name of the fish is Raju. I am asking the Raju should be sent to your house. Which is you go to Akshara Prasad's house. You can they will feed you. They will give milk. They will give meat. They will give burger, pizza, everything they will give. Raju generally it will like kaju also. They will give kaju to the fish also. Whether the fish whose name is Raju will be happy in your house. Yes, Akshara, please participate.
Okay, Prabhuji.
Tell
But
something.
But the fish cannot come out to my house. Then it
No, I am saying, see, we are taking one example. I took one fish. I am handing over to you. I gave it to you. You are providing to the fish everything. Whether it will be happy without water.
no.
Yes, it is your answer. But you are providing everything, na? Even then it will not be happy. Yes, Akshara, please participate. Even then also it will not be happy.
It will not happy.
Okay, it will not be happy. It is your answer. Okay. Now you can type in the chat those who are want to answer. It is very easy. Mokshit, yes, Mokshit. Always you will say, I want to tell answer. Now tell whether the fish which I have taken from the ocean, whether it will be happy. Even though we give, we provide, yes, we provide a better house. We provide everything to it. Whether it will be happy.
No, but you have to feed it water.
Okay, suppose in your house there is strong swimming pool. You are keeping that fish in the aquarium or swimming pool, small one. Whether it will be happy.
Yes, it will be.
As per you, it is happy. In the aquarium, all the fish are happy
it has
now.
Water.
Generally, what I am asking, in the aquarium, all the fishes are happy.
Yes.
Okay, this is your answer. Yes, Tushita, unmute yourself. Tushita,
Yes,
unmute yourself
Prabhuji.
and participate. Whether the fish, if you kept just now Mokshit saying that in the aquarium it will be happy, but if the size of the what the fish increases, now it will be happy.
No, it will not.
It will
No,
not happy.
Prabhuji,
So
because
see, this is what. See,
if it was in the ocean, then it will be happy because the ocean is the bigger.
yes, Haribol. So this is what the answer I am expecting from all of you. Now we are all the part and parcel of what? Supreme personality of God, who is Krishna. We came from the ocean. We came from the ocean. If suppose we are giving somebody gives a daily burger, pizza, we will not be satisfied. Tomorrow we will think that we are happy with burger, pizza. Tomorrow again we will think that tomorrow again we need gulab jamun. Tomorrow again we need what? Rasgulla and other thing. See, suppose if we are being provided with very excellent big AC and with big cot and big very excellent house, even then also we will not be happy. We will think that okay, we don't have car. Suppose we will purchase the car. If we see some big car, we will think that I want that big car. So whatever you give to the fish, whether you take in the car also, whether you provide kaju and other thing to the fish also, even you change her life, make the life as wonderful. But this fish will never be happy, because that fish Raju came from our ocean. That is what we are also part and parcel of what Lord Krishna. Our Atma is also from where we came. our soul, it actually came from Krishna only. So we will never be satisfied. You just see, daily drink. Suppose if you like Horlicks or Bournvita or Boost, daily drink, morning, evening, and even night also. Just milk. Finally, after 5 days, 6 days, no, Baba, today I don't want to drink milk, ma. Like that, you will be fed up. Well, like not only you, each and every daily, if you are eating Cadbury or some other chocolate regularly, you will not be satisfied. This why? Because ultimate happiness means Satchit Ananda, means permanent happiness to our soul. Where we will get only if our soul is connected to Krishna. How we can connect our soul to Krishna, Prabhuji? Please explain. When you are saying that we are unhappy, yes, we agree that we are unhappy. Now, how we should connect? The simple way is from the heart without doubting Krishna. We have to do devotional service. And what are the devotional service? Yes, we have to hear about Krishna and chanting and reading Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavatam. And these are all what devotional services. What? And there are 9 types of devotional services are there, but presently we are learning only 2 or 3. Okay, which are very easy. See, we cannot go for Pada Sevanam. There is also one seva, that is a devotional service. We can how Lakshmi Mata, Goddess Lakshmi always do the seva to Vishnu. But everybody is not that much lucky as Goddess Lakshmi. So that's why there are different 9 form of services. But we are just learning about only hearing, yes, chanting, yes, kirtan, yes, how that Mirabai, yes, what she used to do, Prabhuji, yes, always just singing a song of Krishna, always. So this is what our life is. We are a fish which is taken out from the ocean. Until unless we will not go and we will not join to our ocean, we will not be satisfied. Okay, that's why always think about once again, think about joining ocean. What is ocean now? Our Krishna is the ocean. That's why the same qualities we have. Whatever the qualities of Krishna means, generally you take the drop of the water will also be transparent. The drop of water, even that water is also be transparent. If the ocean water is salty, the drop of water is also salty. It will be liquid, all the qualities of liquid. Yes, the ocean is also in the liquid form. It is not in the solid form. Like that, we are also part and parcel of Krishna. This is what, in short, what the meaning. Okay, now we are just moving ahead. Yes, this already we have learned. Yesterday we have learned. Today what I will do, because tomorrow I am not taking the class, means not taking the Bhagavad Gita class. Tomorrow what I will do, I will just play Prabhupada movie. Okay. Now today what we will do, we will start 14th. What are the important points which are being discussed in 14th chapter? Okay. Yes, I will ask you to unmute. Wait. Okay, Atrika, unmute. Bhumi Pujari. Or anyone just unmute Bhumi Pujari. Okay, Dhanya also joined. Okay. What happened? Pujari, where are you? Hare Krishna.
I muted her.
Yes, Haribol. You just read.
Mood of godness.
Little bit louder. Little bit louder. Yes, read. Don't stop.
Mood of godness, sattva guna is in real happiness and knowledge.
Okay, wait, what?
Knowledge free from sinful recreation, equal to all.
Haribol. Yes. So equal and go to.
Go
So there is some network problem, huh? Okay, no issues. You just be muted. And Haribol in the chat also, Nomi Oja also excellently gave the answer that it will not. So, okay, several others also gave the answer that it won't be. Dishan also can be yes. Dishan also gave the excellent answer that fish will now never be happy in the swimming pool also because it is very small. Yes, Haribol, excellent. And in the ocean it will move freely. Yes, these are the answers I just now I saw. Now in Bhagavad Gita we are learning today about three modes. What are the three modes of material nature? What are the three modes? First mode is mode of goodness. What is this mode of goodness, Prabhuji? It is known as Sato Guna or Sattva Guna. Sato Guna, what is the Sato Guna people? There are the people on the earth are divided into three categories. One category is Sato Guna, second category is Rajo Guna, and third category is Tamo Guna. So today we will discuss about the three categories. What are the three categories? What Krishna has mentioned. In what way, which category is better and which category is very low and which category is in the very middle. This we are going to learn today. Yes, this is what I mentioned in the Bhagavad Gita 14th chapter. Okay, now mode of goodness, Satoguna means they are pure from the heart. Always be happy. They will always think about others. How we can do, how we can how we can do good to others. They will never expect anything if anything in return. This is what the mentality. Suppose, see, just see in this pic, what this boy is doing. This boy is helping the other boy who is unable to walk or handicapped. But this boy will never expect anything from this the boy who is walking. Then the boy who is helping without expectation is doing the service. Then this boy is under mode of goodness, means this boy he can be categorized in Satoguna. Okay, always just what just they will be pure from heart. They will not think any bad, and they will eat also only good things. They will never think about causing any harm to animal also. When they are not even thinking about harming any animal, naturally they will be vegetarian. They will not kill any animal. They will not eat meat. This is what the difference, because they are pure. Satoguna means they will be always happy. They will never cry. Okay, Krishna, today I am having this problem. Okay, tomorrow I may not have. They will be neutral. This is what Satoguna. Always will be happy. They will read good books. They will get good knowledge. They will be free from sinful reactions. Sinful means they will try to avoid committing any sin. What we call in Hindi paap. Paap karne se darte. Whatever the sin, if others are doing, they will be having fear. No, God is watching. I should not take money from take the money of others. I should not take the property of others. Like that they will think. I should not cheat. These are all good mode of goodness, people. Now, Prabhuji, what is the second category? What Krishna has categorized? Yes, the Krishna what has categorized and he's discussed about Rajoguna. Prabhuji, what is Rajoguna? Can someone be unmuted? Just I will call the name. Okay, Bhumi Pujari just now she read. Sanvi, unmute yourself. Can someone Sanvi, Hare Krishna Sanvi, switch on your video. or else your video. Okay, what happened? Unmute. We don't have much time.
Someone unmuted me.
Okay, no issues. Sanvi will read, then again you can read. Yes, Sanvi.
Mood of passion, Rajoguna, ultimated desires attached to the fruits of activities, hankering and limiting greedy in misery, takes birth on earth again.
Hari bol. Oh, yes. What is the meaning, Prabhuji? Now, you see, after reading, you just lower your hand. Huh? Those who got the chance today, you just lower your hand. So, Prabhuji, those who are, just know what we read, those who are in Satoguna, means those who are in good from the heart, those who are pure, where they will go finally after death. So here what is it is mentioned, they will go to higher planets. This is what very important. You just think. Now, when just now as Sanvi has read, the mode of passion means Rajoguna, they will always do what? They will always keep their body, do exercise and think about this face, go to beauty parlor or just they should look like a hero so that others they can impress others. This is what the thinking of Rajoguna people. And Rajoguna people will be, suppose today I am doing something good to Sanvi or Akshit Singh or Dhanya, what I am going to get? What will Aradhya will give? This is what this Adya will give. These are all questions. Whatever I will do good, suppose I am helping you by giving 1 rupee. I will think, okay, today I gave 1 rupee. Tomorrow I will get 1 rupee 50 NP or 2 rupees. So always they will be very much greedy. Today I am doing this, and finally I should get in return. And what is another difference? They will be always attached to the work. Suppose today, see, very excellent example, Rajoguna. Yes, Rajoguna people and what more Satoguna. So, suppose if you in front of your house, if you people went and you somehow daily you started pouring water to one small plant which has become big, and it started giving fruit and flowers or whatever, maybe just for example. Now Satoguna people will think that okay, water belongs to God, okay, earth belongs to God, okay, then who has protected it? God has protected. God has given the life in the plant. Okay, my job finished. Whoever they want to eat the fruit, they will never think that because I am daily pouring the water, I should eat the fruits. Rajoguna people will think because I am the caretaker of that particular plant or tree, I should get the returns from it. No one should, don't touch this plant. This is our plant. I will eat the mangoes of the plant. I will eat the apples of the plant because I am daily looking after it. This is what the thinking of mode of passion people means, Rajoguna people. Okay. Again, they will be misery.
Prabhuji, sorry
Please.
for interrupting, but here someone is reporting the group, so it says it will expire in 5 days.
Hare Krishna. Please don't interrupt. Once again, I am saying, or else I will remove all of you from co-host. I will manage. Please. Once again, even though whatever they are sending in the chat, I will look after. Please, Hare Krishna. Don't interrupt. So actually, the link, what I was discussing. Okay. So when the mode of passion, so second category of people, if they die, Prabhuji, where they will go? Where they will go? They are how these people are doing. They will go for jogging. They will go for a gym, and why they are going? So that they want to impress others. Others should say, "Ah, very good body, very greatly. Oh, so smart, beautiful you are looking." So this is what they expect from others. Always others should praise them. This is the expectation of others. Now, these are the people of second category. First category we discussed. Second category discussed. First category people, Satoguna people, if they die, they will go to higher planets. Vareva. Then, if the Rajoguna people will die, Prabhuji, where they will go? Again, they will be sent back to earth. Yes, Baba. Because I gave this janma, this birth, to remember what Krishna, but you did not remember. Yes, again they will be sent back. Maybe they may become animal, they may become bird, they may become what small insect also. It is not compulsory that they will become again. They will get again this human form of body. They will be kicked back to earth. This is what the second category people. Now we are moving to third category. What is this third category, Prabhuji? Krishna has discussed. Yes, can someone, I will ask you, Samruddha, okay, wait. Okay, let it be. Samruddha care, I myself unmuted you. Yes, Haribol. Just read what is there. What happened? Unmute yourself.
Yes, mode of ignorance, tamoguna, in darkness, in madness, oversleeping, addicted into intoxicants, foolish, go to hellish planets.
Haribol. Yes, this is the third category. First category or goodness, mode of passion, rajoguna over, satoguna over, and now tamoguna. What is this tamoguna, Prabhuji? Means they are like in mode of, we can directly say mode of madness. They will never bother about anything. No, Rajoguna people will always think that they should become rich. They should have very big bungalow. They should have 5 to 10, 20, 100 car, big car. They should only have. Others should not have. Rajoguna people. Here, Tamoguna people are quite different. They are least bothered about earning money. I don't want to bother. What I want to sleep. What I want to eat non-veg and I will sleep. What I want to drink. I want to addict. They will be addicted with what all drugs and that alcohol and others in which they will never be even means they want to just enjoy their life. They will never bother about family welfare. They will never bother about what development means, how to become good. Like that, they never think. They are foolish. They are foolish persons. And as we know that the person who is not taking any responsibility of family, always just sleeping and drinking and sleeping, and what never bothered what they are placed in what when they die na, Prabhuji, where they will go means to the hell. God has already fixed where is these type of people, those who always play video game. Yes, today I want to play what nowadays PUBG has removed. Someone has I don't know whether some other game also game. They will always just by get up in the morning, they will, Mama, 5 minutes give me, I will play one game. Mama, 10 minutes you just give me, I will see this. Always be addicted to phone. Always be addicted to what? All waste books like our comics, just reading unnecessary waste books. These are the they want only enjoyment. They will say that I want to time pass, Baba, mera time pass nahi ho raha hai. Yes, what I can do. See, this is what they're thinking. They never think about chanting. They never think about reading Bhagavad Gita. They never think about doing good. They always want to enjoy for their own self gratification, means their own senses. They own should be happy by any cost. This is what the mentality of tamoguna people. Okay, rajoguna will see why quite difference. Tamoguna is we are clearly made up of the made the difference. These are non-vegetarians, and they are in darkness. They don't know actually who is God or what is earth. Where beyond earth there is some planet where the God is also there, who has created this entire planets. God is also waiting for us. We are like a, just now we discussed, we are like a fish in the ocean. They never bother whether we are fish, whether we are Raju, whether we are Kaju. No. We want only to enjoy ourselves. Like that they will think. Okay. Finally, they will be sent to, yes, Baba, Narak mein jao. Where you have to go? You have to go to hell. Okay. Hell. Now, today, very important topic we have discussed. What are the important topics? Rajoguna, Tamoguna, and Satoguna. Now, you have to decide in which category we are. Now, further, yes, we are learning more about Tamoguna, Rajoguna, and Satoguna. Yes. Now, you just see the Tamoguna people always just sleeping, enjoying, and watching TV. They are least bothered. For 5 hours, 8 hours also, if they will be not disturbed, they will just see, just change the channel, and they will be enjoying what TV. They never bother about to read good books. They never bother about thinking what about God. Are chodo bhaiya, whether God is there or not, who knows? This is what they're thinking. Ultimately, they are going to hell. Haribol for them. Now, wait a minute. Hare Krishna. Now, we at the bottom is Tamoguna. From Tamoguna, the second step, the middle step is Rajoguna. They are thinking about nothing is better, something is better than nothing. So they are thinking about themselves, but they are very what we discuss. They always think about themselves, how they should become, how rich. This is what their mentality, Rajoguna. And on the top of Rajoguna, there is Satoguna. Satoguna, good people. Good and good, good people. They don't have what any jealousy towards others. They will be happy always. This is what the thinking of Satoguna, what we have discussed. Now, Prabhuji, in which guna if we are there, so that we can go to Vaikunta? What in which guna if we if we in which guna if we do, what are the kinds of those activities if we do so that we can go to Krishna? This is what simple question if you are asking me. Then the very important point you have to remember here, on the top of Satoguna there is one Shuddha Satoguna, means those who are in Krishna consciousness. Prabhuji, what is this Krishna consciousness? Krishna consciousness means those who know that Krishna is the Supreme Personality of God. Athato Brahma Jigyasa. Why we have sent here? Ultimately, we are the soul. Our soul has to go and to connect to whom? Krishna. This is what we have to just think. Those who are pure in pure goodness, those who are in Shuddha Satoguna, definitely means those who are in Krishna consciousness, they will attain, they will go to where? To the planet where Krishna is there. Ultimately, Krishna will never send back to them. 3 guna people are going to one planet or other planet. See, Satoguna people are going to higher planets. and Rajoguna people are sending back to earth, whether they may become animal or insect, but we don't know. Tamoguna people are going to Naraka. Narak means hellish planets. But Prabhuji, we are daily, now we decided that Krishna is supreme. We are chanting, we are hearing Bhagavad Gita, we are doing Kirtan also, Prabhuji. Where we will go? Krishna Loka, that is Goloka, that is Vaikunta. Yet where they, even though there is no light of the moon and sun, that planet itself glows 24 hours. That place we can go. That is called Vaikunta or Goloka or Krishna Loka, where we can stay with the Krishna, and where the Krishna will never allow us to go to this prison. This earth is a prison. Okay. Now we are categorizing. Prabhuji, okay, you are saying Satoguna and Rajoguna, Tamoguna. But Prabhuji, what will these three category people will do? I am very much interested. Now you just see what is the wake up time. Suppose the person who is in a Rajoguna, the person who is in Tamoguna, and the person is in Satoguna, when he will get up from the bed. This is what first difference. Now you categorize yourself that in which guna you are. Okay, yeah, now you just give marks to you. Haribol. So what here it is clearly mentioned, Satoguna people will will get up from the bed prior to sunrise. Means about 5 o'clock they will get up. That is called Brahma Muhurta in the morning time, and they will get up in the morning early hours. Now, Prabhuji, what about Rajoguna? Rajoguna people will get up at 8 o'clock or at the most 9 o'clock. These are the people who are categorized in Rajoguna. And Prabhuji, mode of passion people means Rajoguna people, they will get up at 8 to 9. And finally, Tamoguna people, madness, mode of ignorance, mad people, foolish people. They always just waste their time in watching what? Without seeing what sell, without seeing my Doraemon, or without seeing that other waste Tom and Jerry like that. I will not get sleep, ma. Please give me cell, then only I will sleep at 11 o'clock. These are those people, those who sleep late night. These are all categorized in what? Tamoguni, mode of madness, mode of ignorance. Now, Prabhuji, what books, who will read? You just see. Rajoguna people, Satoguna, Tamoguna. Rajoguna, we all know, his mind is always think about how to become rich. How I should earn, how I should get more money from Adya than comparing to Adya. How I should be big house comparing to Jaslin. Like that always I will think. Then what books I will prefer? Would naturally I will prefer only books in which which will be written that how to become rich. Those books I will prefer from my mind and heart. Very interestingly I will read. Now, Tamoguna people, those who are in madness, all comics. We will not get one knowledge from it. 1% of knowledge from reading those books. They will waste their time on these comics. Okay, they will read the books. They will read the story of film stars. See, this film star has left. This film star is doing doing big what new movie, and now this film star. What they are going to get? We don't know, but they want to waste the time. Haribol. Now, Satoguna people. What Satoguna people will do? They will read good books. I am not saying Bhagavad Gita. You remember, Satoguna people will read good books. They will not bother about how to become rich. They will not bother about comics. They will read good books. But on the top of Satoguna, there is one Shuddha Satoguna. Just now, pure goodness. What we read. So what they will read, Prabhuji, means they will generally, they will 100% they will think about reading Bhagavad Gita. Wow, what a knowledge, Prabhuji, in Bhagavad Gita Krishna gave. I have attended the second batch, Prabhuji. In my first batch, I did not got the knowledge of this one, but this time I got knowledge. If suppose you attend, if you read the Bhagavad Gita for 3 times, 4 times, definitely in 4th time also you will get some new knowledge. Even if you hear the Bhagavad Gita for 5th time, 6th time also, something new you will get. Acha, this is what Prabhuji was saying. This is what that Mataji was also taking when I attended old class. This is what our Shuddha Satoguna. They will always read the books of Bhagavad Gita, Krishna and Bhagavatam. These are all top books. Okay. I don't know actually why here it is being kept, but generally those who are reading good Bhagavad Gita and Chaitanya Charitam, Bhagavatam, they are directly, means they are just buying the ticket from the Krishna. Krishna, give me ticket, I want to come to you. Your planet, that is Vaikunta. Okay, Hari Bol. All are welcome there. Yes. Now, Prabhuji, what these three categories people will do after they get up? Yes, this is also excellent question. Now, you just see the Satoguna people will take books and they start reading. Tomorrow is the exam. I have to prepare for it. After 1 week there is exam, Baba. I have to prepare it. Morning hours, mother told, even the teacher told, in the morning hours we have to get up and our memory will be fresh. I have to read that books. Generally, everybody will say, Prabhuji, whatever I am reading, I am not able to remember it. Remember. So what you have to do, it is my advice. What you have to do, try to get up early in the morning and start reading. One time if you read any answer, any subject, then it will be equal to 10 times reading in the evening. Okay, just concentrate. It means your concentration will be more in Brahma, but in the morning, early morning hours, generally that's why. And an important thing, whenever you get up, you just even you can observe on yourself also. If you get up from the bed before 6 or before means at 5 o'clock, you will be active entire day. You will be active. Oh yes, I want to do this, I want to do that. You will be active. Suppose if you are get up from the bed at 8 o'clock or 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock, you will be dull. This funny, this work I have to do. No, I will not do this work. This is what your thinking will be. But once you get up, so Satoguna people will get up in the morning and they will start reading. And what Rajoguna people want to impress others, what they will do? They will go for gym, they will go for walking, they will go for jogging, because they should show their personality to others. Appa, how good he is. This is what their mentality. After get upping, they will do this. Now they are least bothered about other things. Now, this our Banda, this Tamoguna person, what he is doing, he is just sleeping on the bed and taking the cell. Yes, just seeing the WhatsApp and seeing what, WhatsApp I am doing, seeing all what waste, playing video games. This is what they will do. Even after getting up from the bed, they will never bother about what taking. Tomorrow is the exam, Baba. You have to prepare. Tomorrow is the exam. Why I should prepare today? Tomorrow I will prepare. Or Sunday is the exam. They are having very excellent, great mentality of postponing the things. Sunday is the exam. Today is a Monday now. I will read Tuesday. Tuesday it will come again. He will say Wednesday. Wednesday again Thursday. Like that he is going on. Ultimately, when the exam comes, he will never pass in the exam, because he has not prepared well. Haribol. Now I am going to the next time. Now, Prabhuji, when these three persons will, these three category people will sleep, Prabhuji, please discuss about it. Yes, here. Actually, I am not giving chance to everybody for reading. There is nothing is there to read here. Okay. Now, Satoguna people, who are in good people, who are in mode of goodness. That is also called as in English. Satoguna people, when they will be sleep at 9 o'clock, finished. They will, they are least bothered about cell. I should see the cell. No, 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 no. They never waste on the they never waste their time. They will generally will sleep at 9 o'clock. Now, Rajoguna people, yes, they will sleep at 11 o'clock. They have to watch what some serial, somehow they have to waste their time. And finally, the Tamoguna people will sleep at, they will roam on the roads and they will do whatever they want to do. They will shout on the roads, and finally in the late night hours at after 12 o'clock they will sleep. This is what the difference of Tamoguna, Rajoguna and Satoguna. Okay, now, and the person, those who are in Satoguna, see how, and they will never eat non-vegetarian. They will be peaceful. You just see how this in the picture this lady is sitting without any tension. If she is also having the problem, she will never cry for the problem. Okay, Rajasic person, suit good, finished. What he want to earn the money, and he want to look so smart, beautiful, always. Yes, like that. Always he will think about himself. It is nothing but Rajasic. Now Tamasic is under confusion. Baba, what to do, what not to do. Whether to go this road or whether to go to this road. It always confusion. This is what the mentality of Tamasic person. Jaisa an, vaisa man. The thing what you eat, you are you will become like that. Suppose if you are eating meat, non-veg, definitely your mind and intelligence will be coming down. Your memory will also, you will not have good memory also. Yes, it is correct. Okay, Hare Krishna. Just I am moving to 14th chapter, because tomorrow I am just playing one movie of Prabhupada. Today one sloka of 14th chapter I will take up. Okay.
Prabhuji,
Okay,
Prabhuji, we have read the sloka already. The Mataji.
Okay, no
teaches-
issues. Now you can read. Please don't take. I know. Yes, read. Read the sloka. Janvi, you yourself read.
Okay. Sarva yuneshu Kaunteya Murtiyah Sambanti Brahmavantiyah Tasam Brahma Mahadyunir Aham Bija Pradaha Pita.
Yes. What is this actually? Why these many? Haribol, what? Why you people are typing in the chat? I did not see that in the chat. It was chat was disabled for host. Okay, so many messages. Okay, Sarva Yonishu Kaunteya. Okay, I will unmute others also. Latika, are you? Yes, unmute yourself and read.
Prabhuji,
Yes, read the shloka.
Sarvayonishu Kaunteya Murtyah Sambhavanti Yaha Tasam Brahma Mahadyonir Aham Beja Pradah Pita.
Yes, Hare Krishna. Dhanya, unmute yourself and read. Dhanya.
Sarvayonishu Kaunteya Murta Sambhavantiya Tasam Brahma Mahadyonir Aham Bija Pradapita.
Haribol, excellent. Yes, Pragya Singh, unmute yourself and read. Are you there, Pragya Singh? No, she is not there. Okay, Venya Prabhakar, unmute yourself and read.
सर्वयोगेंश कौन्तेय मूर्तये सम्बन्धि
Yeah.
दशम ब्रह्म मध्योर्नि अहम बीजात् प्रजापिता.
Yes, excellent. Now I'm just moving to what translation. Okay, wait. I will. Who is next? Arya and Agraj both are. Okay, sorry. Whoever want to read the translation, you can read the translation. Either Arya, either Agraj. Read.
It should be understood that all species of life, O son of Kunti, are made possible by birth in this material nature, and that I am the seed-giving father.
Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Excellent, excellent explanation in this. What a shloka. What is the explanation? Prabhuji means Krishna himself is directly saying. Suppose we will also get the doubt. Prabhuji, if we ask our grandfather that, if we ask our father that, who gave the birth, he will say my father, means your grandfather. Suppose if we ask grandfather who gave your birth to you your birth, he will say my grandfather, means my father. So ultimately, who is the real father? Who is the real father? Who is the real father? The Krishna, he himself is giving the knowledge in this particular shloka that I am the seed giving father. Means ultimately, now you just think, what is Krishna? When Krishna himself is saying that I am the Supreme Personality of God, I have created spiritual world and material world. Please don't do any other activity, co-host. It will be reflected here. See, and don't touch any other things. What here it is mentioned that clearly it is mentioned that Krishna is the seed giving, means Krishna is only giving the life in this body. Krishna is sending the soul in this particular body. This is what knowledge we are getting. Okay. Who is unmuting? Okay, what I will do, it is my mistake actually. I made a you people as give me 1 minute time. I am removing all the co-hosts now. Almost 3-4 I have removed. Now, see, Krishna has given excellent knowledge that he is giving the birth to. Indirectly he is saying that all of whatever the living entities are there, I am creator of the living entities. I have given the what seed means, I have given them birth. This is what Krishna is conveying the message. Excellent message, perfect message. Without a doubt, we should never doubt. Who has created? Now Krishna has created. Who has given the life in the body? Krishna has given the life in the body. Who has sent the soul? Krishna has the soul. Who is the Supreme Personality of God? After learning from the Bhagavad Gita, after getting the knowledge, Krishna is the Supreme Personality of God, because he is saying that I have created this, I can do this, I can do that. And finally, I gave the life in you because I am the seed giving father. This is what Krishna is giving daily, our daily knowledge in Bhagavad Gita. Okay. Hare Krishna. Now, there was okay, what is the time now? Today I made already it is 8, but today I will take 5 minutes extra. Just I'm requesting you, I will take 5 minutes extra time of you, so that I have to complete this one story. One of the pastime of Krishna. How this Pralambasur, who is the big demon. Now, as we all know that Kansa was sending one after another demons. Ultimately, he was unable to kill Krishna, and in turn, Krishna was killing all the demons of Kamsa. And one day, what happened? once. Okay, wait. General procedure. I have to give the chance to you to read. We are searching for new one. Yes, Harita Gandhi. Yes, Harita Gandhi. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes, read.
Once when Krishna and Balrama were playing with the cowherd boys, a demon named Pralamba entered their midst, disguised as a cowherd boy.
Yes. Now what happened when Krishna and Balrama both were playing with the other boys? Suddenly, the Pralambasur, he changed. How that Putana changed her form into a one beautiful lady form. Now here also he just changed his form as a cowherd boy. Now what happened? We are going moving ahead. Now Hare Krishna, I will search. Okay, wait. Gayatri Ojha, unmute yourself and read. Gayatri Ojha, are you there? Hare Krishna, Gayatri Ojha, are you there? No. Divyansh Chawla, unmute yourself and read.
I'm here. I'm here.
Okay, okay.
Understanding the invincible potency of Krishna, he instead decided to
Abduct.
attempt the Balrama.
Yes, Haribol. Now he thought that Pralambasur thought that anyhow Krishna, I know that Krishna is very powerful. Now what I will do, I will take, I will concentrate on Balrama so that I can kill Balrama. Now what he did, finally he, when all, okay, wait. There was one game actually. There was one game which was generally what they have the cowherd boys and means the Krishna friends, they have divided among themselves into two parties. Those whoever loses the game, and they have to carry the person, those who has won the match, who has won the game. This was one rope game actually, but I don't know, here it was not mentioned, but leave it. There was some game in which the losing party has to take the other on the shoulder and he had to walk. Now what happened, you just see, Pralambasur carried, yes, wait, I did not ask you to read now. Yes, Divyansh Chawla, unmute yourself and read now.
Carry the Lord on his shoulders. We ran swiftly, but the Balrama, realizing the true identity of demon, began to make himself heavier and heavier.
Haribol, what happened now? Pralambasur carried Balram and he started going into the forest. Finally, Balram started increasing his weight. He started increasing the weight. Finally, without with means he cannot hold. Now he came into the real his real form, that is demonic form. The Pralambasur came into the real. He became like a demon. Now he somehow he started fighting with the Balram. As we all know, Balram is also one of the form of Krishna only. But Balram simply by his bare hand started hitting Pralambasur. Now what happened? Ultimately, unable to bear the pain, unable to bear the weight, and the demon assumed his original form. Yes, just now we have discussed, which was like a huge, dark, effluent cloud decorated with golden ornaments. How you just see how much big he became. Finally, what happened? Balrama then bought his fist. Just he was hitting with his fist down the head of the demon, spitting into toe and causing him to give up his life. Ultimately, unable to bear the pain of the Balram, when Balram continuously started hitting, finally he died. Who? Pralambasur. Okay. Just be fast. I am just unmuting. Urdaya Kambi, unmute yourself. Are you there, Uday Kambi?
Yes.
Yes.
How did
Read and also give the answer.
Krishna and Balaram and how the cowherd boys spend their time in the forest?
Yes, what they used to do, how they used to spend the time. Please give me the answer also.
They used to play.
Haribol, they used to play different games and they used to be with the cows, calves. Haribol, excellent answer. Now, can someone unmute any others? Wait. Okay, I am co-host. Okay, I removed all. Yes, Bhumi. Okay, who has raised the hand? Arushi, today I did not give you a chance. Wait. Arushi, unmute yourself. Always it seems.
Who are the winners in the wrestling?
Okay, leave it. Akshit, unmute yourself and read. Akshit, unmute yourself and read. Second question, and I try to answer.
Who were the winners in the wrestling?
Wrestling generally. Now here is the one. And so what is the third question? You got muted.
Did the
Losing team have to do? Can you give the answer? Any answer?
Balram.
Yes, Balram won the game. Finally, losing team, what they have to do? They have to caught the winning team on the shoulders. This is what the answer. Now we are just moving ahead. I know. So there is another question is also there. How did Balrama kill the demon? Yes. Can Archana unmute yourself and tell what is the answer?
Yes, Prabhuji. How did Balram kill the demon? He increased his
Weight.
size. He increased his weight, and with his fist, he how to say, I don't know, Prabhuji. He
just with the bare
Yes.
hands, with the fist, he started hitting another.
yes.
But yes, simple.
Yes, like he started hitting the demon's head.
Haribol, yes. Excellent. Means even in the chat, several others are also giving the answer. Perfect answer they are giving means they are hearing. And now it is already 8:10. This frog thesis I will discuss on Monday. Tomorrow class will not be there, but I will play one video of Prabhupada. Okay. Our founder Acharya Srila Bhakti Vedanta, but Srila Prabhupada, this is what AC Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Prabhupada, who is our founder Acharya. Tomorrow the video will be played and you just watch and enjoy the video. And after the end of the video, we will give the key to you. You just make the attendance tomorrow. And day after tomorrow I will discuss about this frog analysis, but in short by the time I will kill sorry by the time I will type key, I will just discuss with you that about this discuss with this frog analysis. Generally frog means the frog which is in the water, what always it will think, okay, this the frog which is in the small well, what it will think that this well is very big. There is no other it never saw ocean or river. Then what it will think, whatever the well is, that is very big and nobody is big than. Okay, Archana, you are having doubt, I will clear. This is what in short I am saying, the frog theory, because there are some questions of the frog also, because in detail I will discuss in on Monday. So this is what generally we will think that we are sitting in a house, or we are staying in, suppose I am staying in Hyderabad. What Jaslin is staying in Kurukshetra, what Aradhya is what Adya is staying in Canada. So what we will think, oh, Canada is very big, Canada is beautiful, Canada is this, Canada is that, and we will think about ourselves. But we are on the earth. We always think about earth. Like that, the frog which is staying in the well, this that it will always think about well. Well is very big, well is having water, well I can play in the well, like that it will do. But ultimately there is very big what big I'm typing the key. Someone is asking. Ultimately there is also one world above the well. But the frogs will think that well is everything for them. This is what they're thinking. But we know that apart from well, there is very big world is there. But the frog would don't know. Like that, even for our ourself, ourself, we will think that earth is very big and there is nothing. There is like what spiritual world or Vaikunta or Goloka. We never bother about it. That's why we always think to about what enjoying on the earth itself. But there is excellent life. There is spiritual world is also there. Okay, this is what frog's thesis. Definitely, I will send the both what I did not get the key because I have not yet shared. I am sharing now. Please wait for 1 minute.